Hello YouTube! I know I've been making a few unboxing videos lately, and to be honest, it's not actually the most interesting kind of video I like to watch myself. But going back to the beginning of my channel, the very first video I made back in 2008, that's 12 years ago, I was unboxing a MacBook Pro 15-inch, and it was based on Intel Penryn processor. So since then, I've bought another MacBook Pro 13-inch back in, that was late 2013. And 7 years later, I finally bought another MacBook Pro. And this time is a 16-inch from 2019. And I've largely avoided the MacBook Pros in between because the keyboard really sucked. But this time the keyboard is supposed to be back where it was. So I'm very excited to be unboxing. As you can see, I got this from B&H. I've always liked B&H. The delivery is very quick. It's just 2 days delivery. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, so this is double boxed. Here's the battery warning sign. Let me get this out of the way. Alright. Okay. This is the MacBook Pro, and I guess to open it, just slide this open. Okay, there's not much else in the box. There is I guess the power cable, some manual, and the charger. Hello, future me here. I just want to quickly remark how impressed I am with this environmentally friendly packaging. It's made almost entirely out of recyclable cardboard paper. And that's it. Let's see if it'll actually, okay. Let's see if it'll actually turn on. Alright, that's a bit more sensible. At first it was showing Afghanistan as the default, and I was like, oh wow, I have to go all the way down to U to find United States. Okay. So the reason why I don't like getting new laptop is because transferring my data from the old laptop to the new one is always a hassle. I actually bought this laptop about 2-3 weeks ago and haven't opened it. I simply dreaded having to transfer my files, and my old laptop was still working fine. So but anyway, it looks like even though the migration assistant is probably gonna help, but it's still gonna take the good chunk of the rest of the evening. So, well, thanks for watching, and see you next time. And by the way, I hope to stop making those unboxing videos, at least for a while.